Hello and welcome. This is Cara and it is Friday. So that means we have a Friday freebie for October 8th. And for those of you who are doing an October daily, or this may work depending on what colors and stuff you're using for like a fall journal, I made some numbers. I thought I'm a little later than I wanted to be. I wanted to have this out before the end of September, but here we are, about a week into October. So I made these numbers that you can punch out, and then I have all of these words that can also be used through your October daily or any Halloween fall crafting. It has Halloween, pumpkin patch, Halloween decorations, decorating, costumes, Halloween movies. So I was thinking of things that you would probably be documenting during October for your October daily. So cute, spooky, eek, hayride, campfire, carving pumpkins, roasting pumpkin seeds, apple cider, family time, yard decorations, outdoor fun, the best, scary, silly, best times, my favorite, oops, and making memories. Because I'm sure at one point there'll be an oops throughout the month. All right, so I made the circles the size of a 1-inch punch. So I'm just going to cut these off at the bottom so I can show you. Then you can just kind of line up your punch and then punch it out. This one I didn't quite line up perfectly, but you can ink it and then it'll be all right. And this punch doesn't seem to have the best cut all the way around. So you can just quickly go in and punch, punch, punch. Oh, see, that side works better. That's weird. Maybe it needs a little more space. And then you can cut them, because if you're like me, cutting circles is not something I'm good at. So yeah, for this one, I'm just going to clean this up. And then, like I said, you could go ink, probably with some black ink. So here we have some numbers, and then I used some other punches. I have this tag punch, this punch that has 3 different sizes of tags, a scallop, and then itty bitty tags. And I was just thinking I could quickly just kind of layer some things up. Get out my ink. And then usually if I'm doing October daily or December daily, the numbers I usually get those pre-done and put them in like a little Ziploc so that I have those ready to go, for the day. And then I put it on my journal page at, somewhere on the layout. But like I said, this month, September went quicker, more quickly than I was expecting. And then we had the 5 days of fall going on, so there was a lot going on. So yeah, these you can just layer up on different tags. I thought this would be fun and cute and easy. And then if we wanted to, you could add some of the words to your numbers, or use it on a picture if you're documenting the month. And I'm going to cut out the spooky and add it to my number 3. My glue is exploding. Like that. Punch a hole. Like that. And then I can add an eyelet. And then I'll have numbers ready to go. I'm hoping to do October daily. I'm hoping I have a couple projects in the middle. I'm in the middle of a few things, so we will see. I'm sure it's something that I can always work on after the month. I'm struggling. Oh. Let me do the same thing but a smaller one. That needs a blank. So yeah, and then I can have all of my numbers ready to go. The other thing I wanted to show you really quick was yesterday I had my monthly Smash Your Stash video, and if you missed it, in that video I shared a new kit, and it's a button kit. Let me back up. So for the monthly Bust Your Stash, the item was buttons. So then I started thinking, all right, Halloween buttons, and I thought, oh, button cards would be perfect. So I made some button cards, and there's these cards, there's 6 of them, and there's room for 2 or 3 buttons. And then there's these that are larger, so you could do a bigger button or about 4 smaller buttons. And then if you didn't want to put buttons on because maybe your journal's already too bulky, I did digital buttons. So then this would be nice and flat, and then these could just be used as a journal card in your, I keep saying December daily, in your October daily or pocket letter or other friend mail. These are currently on sale in my shop. There's 4 pages to the kit. And then again, if you missed it, this is kind of what they look like when you add the buttons. So yeah, my little button company name is All Hollows. And there's this one, so you can see you can add buttons like that. Or here's some of the digital ones. Really cute. And I just inked them up, and then these could just be really fun journal cards. Some of these are going to go in my Halloween projects that I'm currently working on, my paper pad and my the folios, the journals and the folios. I'm going to tuck some of those in there. Yeah, so we have the freebie today, the numbers and the words, and then also the button cards are listed in my shop. If you would like the freebie, you want to go to Cara, Brandon and Friends, CaraBrandonCreations. Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook. The link will be in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna work some more on my numbers and get those ready to go. All right. So after the video, I started working more on my numbers, and then I started cutting out my words. And I thought, oh, well, what if I backed it with some double-sided tape, and then I can easily cut them out, and then these will be ready to go as stickers. So I just wanted to kind of show you that this is a little bit wider than the words, but I don't think it will be too bad. I think this is about 1/4 inch, and then you can kind of see through the paper, so you can watch or kind of line up where to put the double-sided tape. And then the nice thing about this tape is that it rips really easily, and so I can leave it like this, or I can go ahead and cut it out, and then all of my words will be ready to go as little stickers for my October daily. So let me trim this up, maybe this side. And there we go. Now it's a little sticker ready to go. All right, that's all. Still working on my numbers and getting those ready, but I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.